ELECTRO-TECH UG. Current technology. Future excellence.
Welcome our dear viewers to yet another episode on how to repair your blending machine at home. As we've always done, we start with the power supply checks. You have to check the fuse, the cable, and once you verify that your cable and supply are fine, then go ahead and check your potentiometer. For the potentiometer, you check the different output points, and if they are continuous with your multimeter, then your potentiometer is okay. After that check, we are going to check now the motor. This blending machine uses a single phase motor. For this case, it has only 2 coils, so you have to check each coil whether it is continuous. And with our check, we verified that the coils were continuous, though the points of connections on one coil had broken. Remember, when you're connecting the wire with the coil terminal, in most cases we use soldering. So the soldered joint had broken, and also had broken at a certain point which couldn't easily be replaced or soldered back, so you had to improvise and check for the coil and get another wire that we connected in order to complete the circuit. So with that, after soldering everything, we had to check whether they are continuous. Then after, we had to assemble back everything, then do a check to see whether our motor will now run. So after putting back everything, we had to connect the power supply. We connected everything rightly. Then after running it, we found that the motor was running. So with that, we had to put back everything, then test for the final check. So thank you for watching. Be blessed and subscribe to our YouTube channel.